What's up, friends? Ayaw naman ito liwat. Kagara naman ito sila liwat. Let's now go to multiples. Multiples are the integers that another integer can divide evenly without remainder. Examples, ang mga multiples, sila ning mga results of skip counting. For example, 7, ang iyang multiples, 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. These are the multiples of 7 because they can be divided evenly by 7. Another example, multiples of 13, we have 13, 26, 39, 52, and so on. Multiples of 1, amuning ampay tas ang gatuon ta multiplication table. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. So those are multiples. Yow! Now let's talk about the least common multiple. Ang least common multiple is also called the LCM. Ang meaning ka LCM, it is the smallest integer that two or more integers can divide evenly without remainder. So the LCM also has verbal cues nga serve as clues nga kung saan natin magamit sa LCM. Examples, we have the words themselves. Find for the least common multiple of. So wala na sa mas obvious pa dira. Also, another verbal cue is the smallest number that can be divided evenly without remainder. Okay. Nan, para hindi tapagkwaon.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
The earliest time that they appear together. So ang LCM is useful for activities nga gadungan. So if gusto mo ba kung saan sila magdungan, we use the LCM. Let's proceed sa methods of finding for the LCM. Yee! Alright. Find for the LCM of 18 and 20. Sige, butang ko rin sa kilid. The first method nga atong tunan is also the roster method. The roster method is also known as the listing method. So ato no brown is ilista ta tanan nga multiples ang 18 kag 20. So ilista ta de 18. Ready dayon ang 20. So ano mga multiples of 18? We have 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, 180, 198, and so on. So kadamo na actually. Ang 20 naman. Ati ang 20 masapos.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140.
May salakyan. Nadagdag pagit.
160, 180, and so on.
Actually, yung napangita talanggit is ang pinakagamay nga common sa ilang nga multiple. So, diin rin yung pinakagamay nga common sa ila. So, diri tanan wala common except sa 180. And that is your least common multiple. LCM equals 180. Ang disadvantage ng roster method is maayawan kasulat. So, mayroon pa isang ibang techniques na mas dasig called the factor tree and continuous division. Factor tree method. Ang factor tree method naton, 18 and 20, we're going to find for the prime factors and then we're going to find for the LCM. So factor tree, 18 is 9 times 2. 2 is already prime, so ang 9 kailangan tayo i-factor. 9 is 3 times 3. What about 20? 20 is 2 times 10. And 10 is 2 times 5. Ano to na bro? In order to do the factor 3 method in finding for the LCM, you encircle the common prime factor. Pwede mo man siya i-square or i-rectangle, kaso namiyan ako yung mag-circle. So ang 2 is common. I'm gonna write that down here. I-underline ko pagid. O duplion tang underline na para namin. Amo na siya ang atong common nga prime factor. Anong mga hindi common? I'm gonna write them down. We have 3, isa pag niya 3, isa ka 2, kag isa nga 5. So we're going to multiply that sa atong common nga 2. 2 times, pasunuron na sila, times 2 times kakawadan ako 3 times 3 times 5. Bali ang common i-multiply ta sa hindi common kag wala nagsulit. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, 180. LCM. Your LCM is 180, and that is the factor 3 method. Now let's go sa continuous division. Yeah! Okay, last one. The continuous division method. Ara. Sige, find for the LCM of 18 and 20. Ato na brahon, continuous division. Ano mga divide sa 18 kag 20? They can both be divided by 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. 20 divided by 2, 10. Dire pa lang daan, wala na sa common nga divisor. However, when looking for the LCM, you do not stop. You do not stop. Okay, so 9 kagang 10, they are not yet prime, so we can still continue. 9. Ano makadivide sa 9? Na prime. Hindi tricycle. 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, so 9 divided by 3, that is 3. 10 is not divisible by 3, so panaugon ta lang siya. 3 is already prime, but 10 is not yet prime. We can still continue to divide. Ang 10 is divisible by 2. Okay, ang 3 panaugon ta lang. And then ang 10 divided by 2, that is 5. And in order to find for the LCM, pang-multiply mo ni sila tanan. So, sila tanan i-multiply. So, your LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. That is 180. So those are 3 methods of finding for the LCM or least common multiple. So amo to balitanan ang mga techniques in finding for the LCM. Okay. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat po. Next time, we're going to have our season finale for season 1 of Nag-iisip na yan. Hanggang sa susunod, nag-iisip na yan.